Hello guys, today video I wanna share what I ate in Philippine market today. Also I bought something. Let's start, check it out. Hello, nice to come back. I want to give this one. Thank you po. Salamat po. Bye bye. Hello. Kuya, hello.
Okay. Oh, good. Are we gonna eat now? There's a lot of, or do you want to buy clothes?
Yeah, of course.
Okay.
Okay. Only 50 pesos? Like
Yeah.
that? Wow.
You have to try it.
Okay, try. Go.
Yeah.
I want to find good clothes in here. Like that? It's good? It's 50, right? 50? This one is better, right? It really clean also.
Yeah.
I can buy this. Also, I can buy this one. This one is really nature, so it feels like really comfy. So, yeah, I want to get this too. I want to get this. Thank you. Here, thank you po. Salamat po. Bye bye.
We can just roam around.
Yeah, just look around here, okay? Whoa!
And it's a donut.
Wow! Mango donut?
Mango.
What is that? Oh. Whoa! It's yummy?
Yeah.
Oh. Wow, it looks like really hot.
Also a hot dog.
Oh. Inside hot dog? Whoa, it looks like donut, right?
Oh.
But
You wanna
inside?
try it?
Oh, I want to try that.
Okay, you can try it.
Oh, can I try just the one?
One for Munggo and one for hot dog.
What is the famous in here?
The Munggo one.
Can I get just the one, please? Oh, how about you?
I'm full here.
Thank you po. I got it. Okay, we will try this. Oh, it's really hot, right? Inside, what is that?
It's Munggo.
It's mungo. Like that. Wow, what is that? Mungo. Like that? I will try this one. Really sweet. And outside is really crunchy, right?
Yeah.
Wow, it's really good. Maybe I want to get coffee with them, right?
Yeah.
Because it's little bit sweet for me. This is really hot, right?
Yeah. Let's just roam around. Because it's really hot.
Really? Oh my god. It's really good. Hello. You work here before?
Yeah, before.
Also, it's really cheaper than other store like that. Oh, I want to try ice cream because it's really hot now.
Yeah. Here.
Oh, hello.
Say hi.
Hello.
This is Gardo.
Oh, really, Gardo?
Yeah.
Gardo. Wow.
Here, this one is a Filipino chocolate.
Oh, really? It's really famous chocolate like that.
Yeah. Famous.
Wow, ton of snake in here, right?
Yeah. It's also Filipino chocolate inside.
Oh, I know that.
Yeah,
I
Filipino.
already had that. Also, this is really famous, right?
Yeah, this
in here.
one. How about the others?
Oh.
There's a lot in here. This one is also famous. The Ding Dong.
Hmm?
Yeah.
I heard that this one is really famous.
Yeah. That's
It's
the
great?
famous. Yeah.
Wow.
Famous conditioner
And
in the Philippines.
you know what? My shampoo is this. Oh, my shampoo is this. Oh.
Famous also here in the Philippines.
Oh, really? I want to get this one. How about you? You don't have anything? Just
I love to roam around.
you want to just look around here?
Yeah. Because I am done. dressing.
Oh, you're done.
In the morning.
Okay. Okay, I got it. Maybe I will get just this one. Okay.
Okay.
Thank you po. Salamat po. We have a number, right?
Yeah.
Thank you po.
감사합니다.
Oh, thank you po. Wow, I found ISAW.
Yeah, you found
Wow.
so much ISAW.
Wow, this one? What is ISAW? Ah, here.
Yeah.
Oh my god. How much ISAW?
5.
5 pesos. Only 5 pesos. Oh, my god.
chicken feet. You like chicken
Oh,
feet?
no, I don't like chicken feet.
This one.
Whoa, what is
Blood.
this? Ah, blood.
Blood.
Blood. Okay, I can try that.
Oh, you want one?
Oh, how about
What else do you want to try?
Can I pick it up?
Yeah.
Like that?
You have to try it.
It's good?
It's good, really.
Okay, one, just one.
How much? It's 10 pesos.
Oh, okay, get it. It's good? It's good?
It's really good.
Oh, really? This is my first time to eat this. What is your favorite?
Barbecue.
Ah, barbecue.
Barbecue.
Oh, okay.
Barbecue.
So we have to wait for
Yeah,
this, right?
for
That's right. This is ketchup like that. Wow, it looks like really yummy. Little bit. Wow, this one is mine. Okay, let's try together. Wow. Okay,
Try it.
Oh.
Try it.
you try this one, right?
Yeah.
Of course, this is ISAW. Oh my god, this is my first time to eat ISAW. This is something like that.
Yeah.
Good. I will try this one. This one, what is this one name?
It's
Not spicy, right?
Yeah, pork blood.
Pork bread. This is pork bread. Oh my god, really yummy. Oh my god, this one is my favorite. Oh my god,
It's not that spicy.
not spicy. This one. Oh my god, I love that. I love that. It's really, really yummy.
This one is not that spicy also.
No, really? Okay, I will try that.
And pork. Yeah. You see, it's not that.
Oh, it's not spicy.
Yeah. Is it good?
And really cheap.
Good.
It's good. Really cheap and ketchup is really good. What is that? This is the one stuff. Name.
Liver.
Liver. It's good.
Good.
But if I have to rate this one, maybe this one is my favorite. This one, yeah, this one is
then
really
to go.
good. This is called liver.
go.
To go.
Yeah.
So I like this one also. Oh, it's good. It's good. Oh my god, it's not spicy. Oh my god, it's good. It's good. Oh my god, it's so yummy. Oh my god, it's good. I got it. Why people really like this one? ISAW. And the main subscriber told me ISAW is really famous in here. Also, ISAW is one of the best street food, right?
Yeah.
We couldn't find ISAW easily.
Yeah.
During the day, right? After 5 p.m., after 6 p.m., you can get it ISAW and other street food like that. Okay, today review is finished. I'm really excited like this kind of the food
Yeah.
with my teacher. Yeah, my teacher is take care of me, so I really thankful about that. Thank you, teacher. And I will upload next week. Okay? Bye bye. I will go home now. Bye bye.
Did you guys enjoy this video? I hope you did. See you soon in next video. Bye bye.